Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a border pop-up effects to the captions of your videos in CapCut. So here I've already add a video without captions. So I'm going to just use the auto captions feature first. So go to text and click on auto captions. Then just click on start. Okay, so the caption has been created by Capcut, and I'm going to change the style first. Okay, I've already changed the style. And to have the border pop-up effect, you just need to go to animation, then find caption, and in here scroll down until you find the border pop-up animations. But please be noted that this only can be applied if you are on CapCut Pro. Okay, just click on a check icon and you are done. This will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, click on the thanks and also comment. Bye.